let's do this.
Welcome, game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue5 Rail Shooter.
I am so sorry about these past 2 weeks. Well, this past fucking month has just been ridiculous. What with my day job and teaching jobs that I have, it's just been ridiculously insane. I don't know, like, I'm only going to do the rail shooter bit. As far as the MMO bit, that's still in the works, but there's just this one weird error that I'm coming across I'm still trying to fix. So, anyway, let's just get started with making some AI.
We already made AI.
Melee and,
Oh, right. The melee dude.
yeah. So, we're going to go to Blueprint class. This is going to be a character, and I'll just call this melee enemy. And then I'll have a ranged enemy too. Might as well fucking do that. Character. Ranged enemy. So let's go in here. Now I got these characters from both the 40k stuff that I've been doing and Mixmo Fuse. So I'm gonna have to find your own stuff. So let's go up the paladin. And let's rotate him 90 degrees so he's facing the arrow. And now we need to give him an anim class called melee, right? Yeah, melee BP. There's that. Now we go to the event graph. We go to class defaults. AI controller. What did I call the AI controller again?
Don't know.
Fuck. What the hell did I call you? What? Oh, I don't have an AI controller. Alright, let's make an AI controller then.
Why?
Because we just run the... Alright, fine, let's not do that then. So, on spawn, we're going to need to... On event begin play. We're going to want to basically just grab the AI move to. We just literally move to the our target, which is us. Pawn is going to be self because the entire class is a pawn. Destination, we're going to need our player character, so we need to get player character, and then from there we can from the return value we type in get actor location. Plug that into the destination. Target actor is going to be that. You know what? I'm going to replace event begin play with tick.
Okay. Why?
Just because. Event tick. Acceptable radius we can leave at like, I'll just put at 50. Yeah, let's do 50. And we also wanted to constantly find the look at rotation and rotate towards us. So let's do that. Take self, we type in find look at. Okay, fine. Find look at rotation. Start, it's going to be get actor location. It'll be our location, and the target's going to be the player location. From there, we want to set actor rotation, and we can plug this in, plug that in, and we're going to split the struct pin.
Why?
Because we only need to rotate it on the z-axis.
Oh, right.
Yeah. The reason why we want to rotate it on the z-axis is because we want this to constantly face the player. And the way to do that is through the z-axis, because that's the yaw.
Yeah, I know.
There we go. And...
Fine, negative 90.
There we go. So, we split this struct pin, plug the Z into the Z. X and Y doesn't fucking matter. On fail, we just delay. And then on complete, we do that.
Okay. So what do we do when we get there?
So now what we need to do is we need to get an anim montage going. So to do that, I'm going to go back into the viewport, hit Control B. the magnifying glass I meant. I'm gonna just look up swing. Do I not have any swing stuffs? Standing idle. Run back. Melee combo attack. Melee combo attack. Melee kick. What? Okay, but.
So what do we do? Do we do that?
Well, okay, so how this is going to work is we're going to need to do... well, for starters, we're going to need to tell this thing... Well, we're going to need anim notifiers, etc. But I want to kind of make this thing a little slower.
How do we do that?
We scroll... Runs on rate scale. I can type in something like... I'll just do 0.75. So that way it runs a lot slower. See?
Why?
Oh, just to give the player a heads up that the dude's gonna attack.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So now that that's said and done, we have that. You can just right click, create anim montage.
Let's call this melee attack.
Attack. Now in our fuck.
Ah, crazy shit. It's that one. Not the kick.
Yeah, sorry. So melee attack 2, I guess. There. Okay, so we're gonna need to have a notify right around here. So we're gonna need to have notify.
Did we teach this already?
Yes. So let's just add a notify. I'll just say hit on. And then the fuck is going on? My apartment complex, everybody.
Hopefully that's on the capture.
Hits off. So I created 2 anim notifies. One to signal when the collision can happen, and one to signify the stop. Let's add another track.
Why? Oh, we're gonna add the sound.
Yeah, why not? We can do that. So, right around here will be the sound. So add notify, play sound, on the sound, you can just have whatever. What should I do? Light? Okay. Starter music. What's starter music? Ah! Come, what the, okay. What? Okay, fine, whatever. I'm deleting. And I'm just going to zoom this back to its default. There. Let's close that. What is that fucking... I have no idea. Anyway, let's just do the... You can do the sound whatever you like. Anyway. So... we need to have a thing saying is move. We can't be moving while we're attacking. So we're gonna have a variable. Technically speaking, we don't necessarily need this. Yeah, we don't necessarily need the variable.
Oh, we don't?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? Yeah. Okay. Let's have it. Let's have a thing that says is attacking.
Why?
Because we don't want this tick event running infinitely.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So we'll have a custom event down here. Custom event. And then just say attacking function. Attacking. Okay. We'll set is attacking to true. We'll have to get it to branch it out, make sure we have to say if is attacking is false.
Outright.
If is attacking is false, which it is right now, so we'll set it to true. And then what else do we need to do? We need to play the montage. So we need to get the mesh and play anim montage. anim montage. Play anim montage. Target is gonna. Target gonna be. Wait. You know what? Instead, let me get skeleton. Skeleton. No. Fuck.
Why are you having a brain fart?
I don't fucking know. Skeletal animation. Where is that? Nope. Play anim. Fuck. Alright, fine. Play anim montage for now. I'll read to context sensitive. It's escaping me for some fucking reason. Get. Shit. That gets. Yeah, self. Fuck. Okay. And montage has to be. Melee attack 2. We delay it until the thing is over. And then we reset this to false. As for this, we need to check to see if this is. Yeah. On false, do that. On true, stop movement immediately. Okay. So we're good on that. Now what else do we need to do? Well, we need to set the range dude. I'll see if he does he have a reload? Please say you have a. You don't have a reload, do you? Fuck. Shit. I thought this dude had a reload animation. Fuck. So what animations do you have? Let's turn. And it. What's up? Fire. Nope. You don't even have a fire animation. Throw. Good lord. Ugh, this damn ranged character.
So what? You're gonna have to re-report the ranged character?
Yeah, I'll have to get more animation for the ranged dude. It's not the end of the world. Right now, well, we have a melee enemy.
So how will this work? So obviously we're going to shoot this guy.
Yes. He's going to come at us, and then he's just going to hit us. So right now we need to get our hands on a kill count thing. So to do that, I'm going to go into my blueprints. Do I possess the character? Yeah, we'll go with the rail shooter character. So we go to game VP, rail shooter. Where's rail shooter character? We have to have a thing. Variables. We need to say kill count. Now the kill count is what you need to move from section to section and make this an integer. And now I am going to it's 0. By default it's 0. So now we have to scan to see what actor we hit. So I'm going to take this hit actor. I'm just going to say melee enemy.
Right. So now do we do the same thing here?
Yeah, pretty much. We could just we get this, we copy it, and then get the location, plug that in, and then destroy this actor, and then after we destroy the component, we add one to the kill count. Plus 1, and then we set it.
Okay. Why do we set it?
Okay, so like I said, the kill count, in order to move from section to section, right? I'll show you what I mean. So here we are, right? We kill him. So since we killed him, That means we have to move forward. But the thing is, the sections will have more than one enemy spawn.
Right.
So then what we need to do is basically say, okay, as soon as these have spawned, we have to check to see if our kill count is equal, so that way we can keep moving forward.
Oh, right.
So this time I have to hit 1 to add 1 to the kill count. And then I have to go in here. I'll delay this by 0.2 seconds. But instead of third person, I'll just type in melee enemy.
Why delay it?
Oh, because I'm going to spawn 2.
Oh, okay.
So spawn 2. No, I'll do 0.5. Fuck it. Put that in. Yeah, we'll have a collision issue.
What do you mean?
I'll show you. Because they're going to constantly collide with each other.
And they're not attacking. Why is that?
Oh, that's mainly because I forgot to set it to true. Oh, wait. No, it's because... what did I call the... Because I forgot to do the on-success bit. So attacking. Attacking. Wait, what? What did I call this? Aracking. What the fuck is wrong with me?
Good job, Doug.
Yeah, thanks. I tried my best. Fucking really, Doug. God damn it. So they're coming. Stops. Then attacks again.
So why isn't there a collision issue?
It's probably maybe because they are hard to stopping at each other, so that's fine.
How are we making them spread out?
Well, technically speaking, you kind of don't.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
How do I put this? See, the thing... What you can do, you can make them spread out. I mean, like, what I mean by that is... I'll show you. With rail character, you could spawn, like, a thing here, and then a thing here, but you don't want them to go, like, here, or, like, I'll just show you. Okay. Set a billboard. And then let's move this out to here. Let's Control W, and then move this out to, move this over to here. And then over here. Good Lord, why are people yelling so hard right now? It's fucking Friday. It's fucking Friday. Oh yeah, happy Saturday, people.
Yeah, you're recording on a Friday.
Mm-hmm. Don't think it, because I have just so much shit. So what I could do is random int in range. I could just type in 0 to 1, and then
Oh, really? You're just gonna hard code it like that? So wait, you're saying like switch on the int?
Yeah. And then just add 2 pins. Remove that selected default. This goes here. This goes here. But instead of the actor location,
You get the billboard location.
yeah.
So, what does that mean? Won't you? How will you get the? You can't get the player character.
No, I can't.
So what the fuck is? So what the fuck are you going to do?
On event we get play. What we can do is get all actors of class, and then from there, rail, shooter, character, and then we just get a copy. And then we set that as we just promote it to a reference. Promote to a variable. I'll just call this player ref.
So that way they can just run at random. What if they're the same thing?
It's fine. There are other ways of mitigating that, but let's get the player reference. And then get world location. We could just say billboard. Plug that in. On 0 do that. And then on 1 we copy. Plug that in. On the delay, we just do that.
Oh, so it'll constantly update. Won't it constantly update?
Yeah. But like, keep in mind, it. Hold on. There's something else I gotta do. I gotta plug that in, and then I gotta plug that into you, and then I gotta do the same here. So this goes in here. This goes into here. It'll yes and no, because like the thing is, keep in mind the acceptable radius.
Oh, it's gonna stop on the acceptable radius anyway.
Yeah.
So that'll constantly update. But oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So,
oh wait, no. Oh yeah, because you have to get.
shit, I'm an idiot. I gotta undo that and that. That can stay because it's still the. What I need is that. And I need to set the actor rotation again. So that way I can just plug this into here. And then. Actually, I can get rid of that. Plug that into here. Plug this into the Z. Excuse me. That's for the target. Let's get the player rep. Get world location. So we need billboard 1, not that one.
Yeah.
And then that goes here, and this goes to self. And I think that's about it. So let's compile. Let's compile. Wait, what? Billboard. Alright, so let's see if billboard could not be. Shit!
What happened?
I forgot to compile here.
Ah.
So I'll fix that here. That'll fix that flaw. There we go. Just play. I said play. And then
Why are they stopping like that?
I gotta upgrade the range, don't I? Acceptable radius. The acceptable radius 150. And then 150. As far as its destination's concerned, let's plug that into you. And yeah. Let's try this again.
Only one's attacking though.
Yeah. Well, again, that's because, where are you? Where's melee only? It's because it's colliding.
What do you mean?
A hard collision stop. The capsule.
Oh, well, why don't you have to move to the thing?
Problem with that is, again, the acceptable radius.
Oh, is there a way you can like change that or something?
Yeah, and you're gonna have to fuck around with it. Anyway, let's kill these. Let's kill these two now. So now what we gotta do is we gotta get a reference to our rail shooter character. Control W, and then we get the kill count. And we say, is it equal to? Is there 2 dudes that spawn? 2.
Okay.
So we're gonna branch, plug that in, and we have to put in a delay for about 0.2 seconds.
All right, because this only runs once.
Yeah, because it's event begin play. And then once that's set, and once that's true, we need to set can shoot to false because we're moving to the next section.
Right.
Can shoot, set it to false because we're moving to the next section.
Where will we move to?
We got that other target. We got that. We got that target point over there. Let's just move it to the. Let's move there.
Okay.
And go here. Get a reference. And then we just simple move to. Get player controller, get that. Boom. And the goal is just that. And that's that. That's weird.
Are you not hitting?
Doesn't look like it.
Why?
Let's find out. Real character. Event graph. Classify. Hit actor. Oh, right.
Alright, because that thing.
Yeah, because it doesn't like visibility. So we gotta go into here and do the custom collision. We gotta basically walk off. And let's do the same with the character mesh itself.
Jesus, you sound tired.
You have no idea how much this week has been. This past few weeks have been. To say they've been stressful is the understatement of the fucking century. My feet are dead. I am like just blah. But at the very least, March Madness is coming up.
You want to tell them what that is?
Essentially, like March Madness involved me playing like nothing but fighting games and brawlers and beat-em-ups, and then there's that, and boom, we have our kill count, and then there. But we we also need to go back into here.
Why?
Because we want to reset kill count to 0.
Do we have to?
Not necessarily, unless you want to keep track of all of your of the kills that you have. Be my fucking guest. I'm just gonna set it back to 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the range, dude?
I'm gonna have to get like a thing, because like the thing is how we'll put more bells and whistles into it, but we essentially got what we needed to get. We killed our dude. We got moving to the next section, and we're gonna do that.
Are we gonna have a quick time event?
I mean, we can. I don't see why not. I mean, I kind of don't want to do it, but you want a quick time event. Well, I mean, technically speaking, fair is fair. Rail shooter has quick time events. Well, rail shooter is nothing but a giant quick time event, so I guess we can do that.
Okay. So how will this? Well, whatever. Point is, are we going to end it here?
One last thing. Like, comment, and subscribe. / March Madness is just me playing nothing but brawler beat-em-ups like Street Fighter 4, The Takeover, Street Fighter 4, Street Fighter 5, The Takeover, Streets of Rage 4, Jesus, and Power Rangers Battle for the Grid and shit.
You're going to replay Streets of Rage 4?
Fuck yeah, I haven't played that thing in, like, Mr. Apes' nightmare. I want to play that again. I was hoping the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles brawler would come out by now, but no. Anyway, end it here now. Oh, let's clean this up, too. You want to clean this up, just double-click. And there's that. Do it. Yeah.
Well, at least your bosses are happy.
Yeah, my bosses are happy. Well, yeah, my bosses are extremely happy with me. I just gotta, but I do have to update because I've been doing grading papers and shit. And this is just, I really gotta get back at the Dev Diaries of Goodness.
Are you going to do that this week?
Probably next week, in all honesty. I'm just so tired. I'm so fucking tired. You have no idea how much work I've been putting in. Look, I know I shouldn't complain because, like, you know, but it's just, and I'm sorry that I haven't been updating my the Patreon or the RPG series. It's honestly, it's just all the work that I've been doing, man. It piles up, and I'm just, and I'm almost, and I'm like, and ugh. Anyway, let's end it here.
Okay. Try to enjoy your Friday.
I'm gonna try to get drunk tonight.
And there you have it. So, that was one way. Yeah, right. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches on Ue5. Yes.